The Legal Lens on Fox 2 is sponsored by Brown & Crouppen Law Firm.
January 26, 2026 opens the filing period for 2025 returns. Most people have till April 15, 2026 to file their 2025 return. Unfortunately, the answer is if a mistake is made, you are the person responsible usually for rectifying that mistake. Whether that's inflating of income or wrong deductibles or misinformation, you would be the person responsible for any fees or penalties associated with that. Now, some tax preparation services do have a guarantee. You want to make sure that you read that carefully and see what it is that is being guaranteed if a mistake is made, but ultimately remember that you're probably going to be on the hook. All right, for very simple returns, it is easy to use an online service. The IRS even provides one for people that make under a certain amount every year. If you have a more complicated return, using an accountant or a tax preparer is probably a good idea, especially if you have real estate or a home office or a home business. You know, it can be a little bit more complicated and an expert can be helpful. Yeah, you want to make sure that you start preparing documentation to do your taxes early. Start gathering everything as soon as possible. Leave yourself plenty of time to make that April 15, 2026 deadline.
The Legal Lens on Fox 2 is sponsored by Brown & Crouppen Law Firm.